Welcome to this tutorial on assignments within the KnowledgeCity LMS. In this tutorial video, we cover the user list and how to assign and manage individual assignments to your learners. Let's walk through each step so you can keep your team's training on track. When you first log in, head to the left-hand panel and click User List. Here, use the search box or filters to locate the learner whose assignments you'd like to review. Click their username to open their profile, then select the Assignments tab at the top. You'll notice two sub-tabs, Courses and Learning Paths. Switch between them to see either individual courses or full learning paths that have been assigned. Within the Courses sub-tab, you'll see every individual course assigned to that user. At the top, a search box lets you quickly locate a specific course by name. The table columns display the course name, progress, access period, and due date. You can also set the learning schedule here and view the progress dates. This menu allows you to reset progress, view course cycle, and unassign the course. If you need to assign new courses, simply hit Add Course, search for the desired titles, select them. Set any schedule and click Assign and Save, with an option to notify the user. On the far right, use the checkboxes to select multiple courses for bulk updates. Focusing on learning paths, you'll find a search bar to locate a specific path by name quickly. The table columns show you each learning path's name and the user's progress status. You'll also see the access period, due date, and whether the path recurs automatically. On the far right, click the three-dot icon to reveal actions for that single path. Or use the checkboxes to select multiple paths for bulk updates. Click on any individual learning path to view more details. To assign a new learning path, click the Add Learning Path button on the right. Search for your desired path, click Add, and it moves to your selection panel. Use the calendar icon to set a learning schedule or the trash icon to remove any you've chosen by mistake. When you're ready, click Assign and Save. Decide if you'd like to notify the user. The newly assigned paths will instantly appear in the main list, and that's it. By following these steps, viewing details, adding new paths, and leveraging single or bulk actions, you'll ensure every learner has the right training at the right time. The Assignments tab makes it effortless to keep your organization's skills and compliance up to date. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos for the KnowledgeCity LMS.